Alright boys, welcome to MSLM Trading, and it's the daily analysis video of ours. And right now what we are going to be doing is, as usual, we are going to be analyzing the market. We are going to be finding out the bias and the potential reversal points for the market. By the way, if you look at EURUSD, as I predicted you yesterday, the market is gonna fall. I said it yesterday, the market is gonna fall really hard. So as you can see here, the market fell in London really nicely, and then in New York as well. So the bias was crazy, the bias was extremely accurate. So now what we are going to be doing is finding out the bias and the potential market reversal points on EURUSD and GBPUSD. So let's start from GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD is more stronger right now than EURUSD because of the Euro GBP chart. So that's our Euro GBP chart. That's our Euro GBP chart, and let's look at it at M5. So Euro is going down and down on M5 Euro GBP chart I'm talking about. So Euro is more weak. Any short trades which you are going to find today, you should execute them in Euro USD instead of executing shorts on GBP USD. Alright, so that's the thing. Now let's move on to Euro USD Forex.com chart. And now what we can see is, first of all, the market is bearish. We have to short. The bias is really clear. We have to short. Now the reversal points. What could be the reversal points today? So the reversal points, maybe the reversal points like could be maybe this imbalance, the M15 one, maybe the reversal point number 2 could be this M15 imbalance. The bias is the bias is already there. The bias is bearish. All right. Now the reversal points, for the reversal points we cannot say much because right now we are in Frankfurt. Frankfurt has increased volatility than Asia. Yesterday I was saying the same thing, that the market will do a small retracement like this and then it will fall in Frankfurt. But what Frankfurt did was it straight fell down like this. Let me show you. So yeah, here it made this impulse leg around 30 pip. So no liquidity sweep, no nothing. Maybe like this liquidity sweep. No, it's not a liquidity sweep. Yeah, so it fell straight down. A sudden impulse to the downside, and that was Frankfurt. That's what Frankfurt did. All right. Now for today's Frankfurt, I think we are gonna see the same thing because the liquidity has already been swept. The imbalance, this was the M5 imbalance, and it's already been broken. So nothing to look at here. So Frankfurt, for the reversal points, we cannot say anything about it. But one thing is clear: the market won't do a deep retracement. It will instead fall from this range. Like it won't start doing such a deep retracement like this and then go towards the 1 hour trend. No retracement will be made by the price like this. But what the price will do is, it has already cleared the trend line and now it will start to fall. That's all. I don't know about from exactly where you can find a trade right now. Well, actually I don't think you can you should actually right now take a trade, because the market condition is better than before, than Asia. Like it's certainly better than Asia, but it's not the time to trade. The market condition is not where you can find best of the best trades. So right now you have to be patient for some time, and maybe until the Frankfurt proceeds further, or maybe the London session starts. So I don't think you should trade, because right now I'm also being away from the market for some time, for some minutes, maybe for half an hour. So that's the thing. And as soon as the 12 p.m. mark hits, our London session will start. Alright, so we have around 22 minutes around we have in our London session. Alright, so for the GBP USD pair, what GBP USD did was, GBP USD is also doing nice things. So we have Frankfurt over here. The Frankfurt window started from here. We have Asia low. We have wait a second. We have Asia low over here. We have Asia high over here. All the liquidity points are being marked. By the way, I'm not marking previous day high and previous day low today, because the previous day high is already far away from the current price range. Like it's around 104 pips away from the current price. So that's why previous day high for now it's invalid, and the previous day low is already it has already been swapped in the Asia range, so that's why we are not going to be marking them out today. But GBPUSD, what GBPUSD is doing, making equal highs over here, maybe doing like maybe has a plan to clear out buy side liquidity till here, because we have some trend line over here, we have some trend line forming over here, we have this imbalance over here, M1 imbalance forming over here. All right, so we have some things for the price to like the price may go to the upside for deep retracement. I'm talking about the GBP USD pair, but for the Euro USD pair, Euro USD will straight go to the downside. I'm not expecting Euro USD to do a deep retracement like GBP USD. GBP may do a deep retracement, but Euro won't do, because Euro is more bearish. Euro is extremely bearish right now as compared to GU. Alright, so this was the video for today, for today's London analysis. If you like something, if you learned something, go ahead and subscribe and like the video and make it a fair deal. I'm teaching you, I'm sharing knowledge with you, and you are going to subscribe the channel. Alright, bye.